Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, it's gonna be very different. I usually do not ever do this, and I know you're probably wondering why the hell is my camera so small. I'll get into that. I planned, by the title, you can probably tell that I'm doing a tutorial series on the Unreal Engine, and I haven't actually taught the Unreal Engine to a lot of people. I've helped a lot of people with the Unreal Engine, and when I was learning it, my fellow classmates, because I did learn it in school, and I learned a lot of it just on my own time. Um, a lot of my fellow classmates and friends would run into problems, and I would go and I would help them. And we even like got together and we created a game for Skills USA and stuff. Anyways, so I'm just gonna assume that you guys know how to install the Unreal Engine, and actually, I don't think I have it because apparently I don't. Okay, so this is good for you. So this is going to be the installation process of the Unreal Engine. And so, yeah, let's just get into it. This is one of the first tutorial series that I'm actually going to be doing. I know quite a bit about Unreal. It's really easy. You just type in Epic Games. You can go to the Epic Games Store. Also, I use the scroll click. If you scroll click on a link, it'll open up in a new tab. Good thing to know. You can go to the Unreal Engine from here, and it's just pretty easy. You just download, and it says for you to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to turn this off real quick because I'm going to log in real quick. I think it's this one. Okay, I got it. Alright, so I plugged in my info stuff, but you will need to create an account to download. The reason why you need to create an account is because when you load up the Unreal Engine, it's gonna ask you what is your account so you can get all of your projects there, which is games that you've been building. So proceed to download. So it'll say harm your computer. It's just because it's an engine. It's okay. Just say yes. And wait, I didn't even choose. I'm guessing I just chose Windows. Why? Okay. I haven't downloaded the engine in a while, so let me cancel. Oh no. Okay, I guess I will do this. Show in folder. We'll double click this. And you can actually even see that I have like door open, enhanced blood textures. Oh, that's for a mod. I think that's for Skyrim. But yeah, I have some car crashing sound effects and stuff, mainly because I need them for this. Destination folder, that will be fine for destination. It's gonna, it's not, I don't think it's showing on OBS, but it is gonna ask for account control. Just say yes. The reason why it does that, it needs your permission to store files into your computer, and it kind of needs to do that if you're going to be making a game, because all those assets and stuff, it needs to store files in your computer, so just say yes. Also, there you go, it's going to ask to, and again, for account control. It asked it for the installer, now it's just asking it for this. And recently my computer had a meltdown because Windows kind of shat itself. So that's why my background isn't here or anything. Get in there. Oh, I think it's done. That didn't take long. I was just gonna speed it up in the editing. I will have to speed it up later though. Yeah, I have to sign in again. Alright guys, hold on. And nothing is even happening. It's not loading anything. So let me just close out of that. And in here, I'm just going to say Epic Games Launcher. So every single time you... Oh, don't make me sign in again. Thank you. There we go. So I guess there's just a little bug. It's okay. This engine does have a little bit of bugs sometimes. And trust me, it will frustrate you. But that's just making a game. Anything with making a game, it's going to be... Yeah. So whenever you get into the Epic Games, it might bring you to the home. And the home will look like this. And if you did not know, Fortnite was made by Epic Games. If you don't like Fortnite, you don't have to not like Epic Games, because I like Epic Games, but I hate Fortnite. So you can go to the store where you can buy assets and stuff, but we're not going to get into that. We're just going to go into the very, very basics. You're going to want to head to Unreal Engine and then go to Library, and it says Engine Versions, or you can just say Install Engine, but I like to do it this way, just that you know exactly what you're installing. So it actually updated quite a bit since I first came here. I made my game at school in 4.20.3, which was a pretty good one. I'm going to try out 4.22.3. Now, this will take a long time, so I'm actually going to make a cut in the video here. But it's going to ask you where you want to choose the location. You can choose anywhere. Create shortcut. I'm debating that because before on my computer, I had a bunch of shortcuts of just Unreal, and it wasn't good because I didn't know which one was which. It was bad. I'm just gonna say no shortcut. You can keep this as default. I don't care. Install. It's gonna ask for permission again. Just say yes, and it is going to install the engine. So you can't install the engine without installing the Epic Games Launcher first. And every single time you want to go into the engine, there's two ways. You could either press the Create Shortcuts button, or you could just type in here Epic Games Launcher, and it'll do whatever. And you just open it, and you do the same thing. Although every single time you go into the Epic Games Launcher, it'll probably bring you to home. If you go to Unreal Engine, you go to Library, and if you already have it installed, it should be right there. You can just click on it and hit play up here. But it says installing right now. So I'm going to cut until that is done. Actually, you know what? As this is going, I'm going to read my flash book. And I'm wearing a flash shirt too. I don't know why I'm telling you this. It's not... I might keep it in the video. As I'm waiting. Oops. I lost my page. No! Oh, it's horrible. This is it, by the way. I'm done talking. It's gonna be a cut in the video now. I don't want to waste anyone's time. Oh, 92%. Okay. I'm gonna stop reading. I don't know what page I'm on because there's no page number. But yeah. Now I wait. Now I wait.
Hello. Well, this is me in the future, and I was just editing this. It's the same day. Just, after dinner and everything. And right when it finished, I went to go and get myself another drink because I was out. And when I came back, I actually had this folded up. And I'm using my other mic right now to show you. I had this folded up instead of folded down. Oops. There you go. Well, it works. And it only works when it's folded down. And as you can see, I don't know if you can you see that? I don't know. But basically, in here, I had it folded up the whole time, so you couldn't hear me. So I'm just gonna recreate everything that I really said, or everything that I think said. Good. So I have it right here. This is what it looks like when it is launched. Don't look at this. That's part 3 stuff. Remember? Well, actually, no, not remember, because you haven't seen part 2 or whatever. You'll figure that out. So 4.22.3, it's all there. But what I wanted to show you was in the marketplace. If you, because you can buy assets and stuff, but if you scroll down, there's free for the month, and you can see that I've already gotten all of them. These are really, really cool. I highly recommend you always do the free for the month. Get all of them, even if you don't know what they are yet. What is some really good stuff? This was really cool because it was animation packs, and you're probably gonna want animation packs, because if you don't know how to model or animate, it's kind of a big deal. As well as there were some environmental sets, which if there's anything with rocks, trees, or just foliage, like grass and stuff, definitely get it. Definitely get it if it's free. Anyways, so yeah, that's why my mic sounds a little different. It's because I'm using that microphone over here that you can't see. But yeah, that's about it, I believe. It's just this. So in the next video, well, I mean, I'm in the future, but I'm going to tell you this anyways. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your project and the basics of getting started. So, that's pretty much everything that I said that I wanted to say. Yeah, so this is me in the future. I'm just gonna do my outro in the future. Well, here, because my outro you can't hear back there, so because my mic was on. I'm just glad I didn't do that at like the middle or something, and you wouldn't be able to hear me all the way through. But yeah, so I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.